How y'all doing today? So the plan today is we're gonna be trying to blow up this canister of spray-in insulation right here in a microwave. See, I kind of capped it off with the screw right there, so it can build up some pressure in there. Whew, hopefully it don't explode right now. But I got the microwave out here. All right, guys, I got it plugged in here. We're just gonna do a quick test run. Guys, come on now. Let's just hook it up right quick.
Dallas, we have a problem.
It's Houston.
Texas, isn't it?
And we're back, guys. All right, so we got the foam right here. Let's take it out. Let's close this up right quick. First off, we're gonna give this a good diesel bath. All right, because this is called Gulf Coast Diesels. With a Z, guys, with a Z. All right, we just gotta give it a little experimental bathing here. All right, just to see what goes on. Just a little surface diesel. It ain't, hopefully ain't gonna cause too much of a problem, but you gotta have it because it's Gulf Coast Diesels, baby. Come on now. Damn, he's coming over here to attack me. Shoot. Got the deal where I can shut off the power here if I need to. You see him, guys? Look. Man, I think he went underwater, but there he is, look. He's just chilling. Man. I don't know what he's doing, dude. He's acting crazy. Somebody needs to get Troll Landry out of here. Just a little baby. All right, nothing too crazy is happening in 2 minutes, guys. Ooh, definitely smoking. Oh, okay, we're done. All right, let's pop it open and see what happens here at, whatever we did, 2 minutes. Definitely got some foam action going on here, guys. Let's see if we can get some more going. Let me just, hold on. I'm gonna put this aluminum can in here. Just chug this down right quick. All right, sorry Mountain Dew and PepsiCo. We're gonna see how durable your cans are. I know you don't make them, but just gonna have to see. All right, guys, it's all right, guys. Let's just see how it goes. Just see, all right. Just see how, man, that stuff. Woo-wee. Let's see what happens now, guys. Oops. Let's do 5 minutes this time. Remember, guys, don't do this at home if you don't have the proper... Oh, it's smoking good now. If you don't have the proper precautions to take, like I'm here by a pond, I got a bucket of water here, and make sure I got a extension cord to shut the microwave off if I have to. So don't just do this somewhere where you can't control the environment. Make sure you're doing it safely. I mean, it's not really safe, but make sure you're doing it as safe as possible, if you know what I mean. Definitely smoke in there. That gator dude don't care. He's like just chilling. Woo! Thing's smoking like a freaking barbecue competition or something. You can see the foam in there. It's kind of calmed down a little bit. I can't see what y'all see, but I can see it because the screen's kind of dark because of the light. Can't see because of the glare. Smoking again a little bit. Definitely ain't cooking food in here. Man, that dude travels fast. He's already over there. See what's going on here, guys. Definitely some burning going on here. Alright guys, we're back the next day here. And we're gonna go ahead and cut out this stuff here. But we're also going to put some welding rods in the microwave to see what happens there. These are 6011s, I believe. Yeah. And so let's just pop them in there. But first we're going to cut this stuff out, this foam, and see what we got there, alright? Alright guys, so here's the can that I had in there. It's pretty well covered in foam. Alright guys, so the foam canister is pretty stuck in there. Pretty well stuck in there with all the foam that came out around it. So we're just going to go ahead and proceed with the experiment. Alright guys, so we got the diesel in the can here. And these welding rods. So let's see what happens, guys. Alright guys, let's do it for 8 minutes this time.
A few minutes later.
Woo-wee. Smoking up in there. Alright, let's try it again. I don't know what happened there, but let's go ahead and try it one more time. Let's do it for just 5, I guess. Maybe it was... You can see it's smoking pretty bad in there. I mean, not too bad. Damn, I don't want to drift off or I can't stop this. Definitely some popping going on. Got some spark. I don't know if y'all saw that. Sparking in there. Got my water on standby over there, in addition to the pond. Whew, it's burning up now. Alright guys, let's open it up and see what's going on here. Alright. It's just burning up a little bit. Let's keep going, guys. Alright guys, so I did about 2 minutes, I think. So let's just go ahead and knock it out with 3, finish up the 5. Yeah, it's looking like it killed itself, guys. Definitely not smoking as much as it was. I don't hear it operating anymore. Let me press the button and see. Still getting power, but alright, let's just see what happened, guys, because I think the settings are messed up or something. I'm gonna let the smoke die down a little bit. Oh. Alright guys, let's go ahead and approach the microwave. Got some welding gloves just in case that stuff's hot. Hold on, I'm just putting it on, guys. Just a minute, guys. Alright. Man, this stuff isn't good for you to be breathing in. I don't know, what the hell. Let's open it up, come on. Jeez, I'm Pete's. Alright, so nothing happened with the welding rods. Was kind of hoping they would spark together or something, but guess not. Okay. Let's go ahead and see. Man, there's still plenty of diesel in there. Okay, guys. Well, I guess it's hard for it to spin because all the foam. So, alright, guys, just showing you what's going on here. Pretty burnt up in here. See in there? Yeah, pretty burnt up. We're gonna go ahead and try to get this cleaned up. See how long that takes. See if it's still usable after all this. Alright guys, we're making some progress here. Had to get the chisel in here. Let's pick it up. See the underside of it. Alright, we got that out of there. It's nice and crispy, guys. Alright, guys. I guess that's it, guys.